Lag spike. No, should be right. The problem with short stream, not then with main. Okay, I hope everything is good for now, because looks like so. I don't know, just streams not OBS don't see the proper stream for a long time. Okay, my boys. Oh yeah, we need to run a bot. Okay, good. So bot works, but I think not so long. Like couple of hours, I think. Hi, hello, welcome. So my boys, let's go develop the game. Let's see what we did yesterday. For crates. Oh yeah, filters, we changed date. But what about this? Ability, epic, for example. Okay, best to worst, amount, price. Okay, we have only two. Oh yeah, when we switch back to, okay, let's do like so, rarity, for example, and secret. So this is only one guy here. When we switch tabs, it's changed, as you see, but when we switch back, we don't reset our filters, but we should reset that. The game is so good, it will get famous. Thank you bro, thank you very much. Hi, welcome, hello, Emir John, hello. Okay, so we need to fix that, and we just need to reset the filters when we switch between the tabs. And where we can do that? We can do that when we switch category, and let's go, I think, in our tab. Maybe buttons controller. Will you be promoting the game after it's released? I hope no. Because if it's possible, guys, I wanna promote this game absolutely for free and make this game absolutely for free. Because if I'll be successful in that, I wanna that it'll be motivation for a lot of you who have doubts, like, oh, I don't have money, I don't have any other things, and it's so difficult to create a good game and successful game. So that's why I'm not sure like I really do that, because there's a lot of things I need to do, but I'll try to do my best and hope it'll be like for free. Of course, if it's not possible, I probably find investors or maybe buy promotions somewhere. I don't know. But if it's possible, yeah, only on my only promoting by using my social media. So, do you think it's okay if I advertise my own game when I publish it? Bro, it's absolutely okay. why I do like so, this is not because I think this is bad or something like so. No, bro, this is good. But I wanna try. This is challenge for me about my game just. And I just wanna try if it's possible to make successful game for free. Like just to motivate, if it's possible, to motivate others, you guys. So proof or not, like you need money to make good projects, like so. If it's not so, yeah, bro, of course. I think it's a good idea if you advertise your game, definitely. But I'm not sure about Roblox advertisement. Because I watched GNOME Code. This is a developer, if you know, guys. He tried that in Roblox. He tried to buy promotion company, or how it's called, and it's really not so good as you think. Maybe it's really more effective, I think, to buy maybe promotion from YouTubers. I don't know, maybe some famous YouTubers will help you better, I think, than just Roblox advertisement. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with me. No problem, bro, no problem. I'm not experienced in advertisement. I never did that, bro. I never did that. But I watched the video, and I saw like this is not so effective usually in Roblox. Really, if I would buy advertisements, I probably really find some YouTubers who famous YouTubers and ask for buying advertisement, like so, maybe better, instead of spending money in Roblox, I think. So switch tab, where this method, change tab. Oh yeah, so change tab. I wanna see. Oh, I know, guys, I know what's the problem here. I know what's the problem. When we change the tab, we need also sort. Of course. Or we don't have that. Sort. Oh yeah, main current tab, sort. Like so. Like this, maybe. Should I friend you in Roblox for fun? There is no need, bro, there is no need. And I don't play Roblox a lot. It's enough you in the group. So, okay, let's try that. Rarity, secret, crates. Okay, let's go, my boys. All great, all works. But like, you could advertise your game with ads, but I don't know if you get money from this. Advertise your game with ads. I don't know how it works. Yeah, I heard, but I thought this is like work like you place ads in your game or something like so. This is like earning method, if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure about like advertise your game by using this method. I'm not sure. I don't know, guys. I'm not really. This is my second game. My first game is not successful. Like, so I don't know about all these details. So I just try like a lot of you. Also, I just try to do something and just check it on my own experience. A lot of things. So, but as I told, like I watched Gnome Code who bought advertisement in Roblox, and he told like this is really useless for him. At least for him. Maybe for your projects will be better. I don't know, guys. This is really a lot of different things. Maybe a lot of different details. Maybe he didn't do. I don't know. Okay, we saw that, and great. Let's delete that. So what about this? What the hell is that? We need to delete that. What about this? Option button, what the hell? Oh, what? Option. What the hell? We can do like so? Really? But I don't like that for real. So it's so what's that? What's that? So we just create like 3 variables and 3 values we put here, but I don't like it. It really looks weird for me. So this is absolutely the same like this one. Equals to option. And this is equals to true. Yeah, because it's absolutely terrible. Are you planning to open a stream where we can play game together one day? Yes, of course, bro, of course. I've already did it before, from time to time. Yes, of course, of course. From time to time, it'll happen. But not now, because now I've focused a lot on projects. And I think, guys, maybe in a month or something like so, I create a stream where we play your games. This is definitely what I want to do. On the stream, I play your games and maybe give you some tips. Of course, I'm not professional, but like a tips will be like how I see your game as a player, as a new player, like join your game. I think, I hope it will be maybe helpful for some of you. Hi Noel, hello, welcome, bro. So not soon, but I think really I wanna make the live stream where we see your game, watch your games on the stream. And maybe we just create something, maybe I give you some ideas, like which features I wanna see in your game or something like so. Just opinion if you want. So prepare your games. Like this, I don't know, month maybe, something like so. So I need to finish this stuff, like not the whole game, I mean, finish refactor my code, and I think then I have a time, and yeah. Okay, 1 second, guys. So I asked ChatGPT to make a bot for my streams on Python, because I don't know Python, and it's like for comments in the chat. It's work, but not always. Sometimes it's broken. Oh, what the hell? Why it sends it again? No. Skynet Rising. Okay, okay. So like these messages, this is bot sent to chat. Because I'm really tired of copying link every time. So that's it. Okay. So option button, let's check. Anyway, what the hell? I recommend Nightbot on stream elements for comments here in chat. It's a free bot that you can customize. Yes, bro. Yeah, bro. I know about Nightbot. I also thought about that. But the main problem, I have multi-streaming on one platform. Like if I have multi-streaming on Twitch and YouTube only. By the way, what about Twitch? I forget about that. That's not a problem. But because I have two streams, like shorts and full-size stream on YouTube, that's the problem. And and ChatGPT helped me, like on Python, create a bot, and it's really worked. It works, but there is a quota like per day, so I can't like I can use it like couple of hours, and after that it's over. My favorite bro, hi, hello. What is option? Hi Profan, how are you going today? Great, bro, great. Just started recently. What's the problem? So what? Wait. So this is not the same, like? I don't understand. What the hell? Probably I remove something else, by the way. Should be the same, really. Name, like text and name. Ah, this is just an option. Yeah, that's right. That's right. The problem, like, we don't show. That's good to hear. Hopefully you can finish this game soon. I want to play it so bad. Thank you, bro. I'm glad to hear that. I also hope, bro. But anyway, as longer I do that, as faster I work. Anyway, because yeah, when it's a new topic anyway, like meta tables and OP, I really like spend a lot of time, very long time, to understand like how this all works. But now much better. Of course, not completely. I'm advanced scripter in here, but I'm keep learning. So next task I hope will be faster. Okay, what the problem we have? Let's check. This works. Okay. So this disappears and we don't have a menu. But let's check if we have that in our GUI. Items frame, filter buttons, filter button. Okay. Maybe they just invisible, I think, right? Oh, I think I know what's the problem. Filter controller, where we do that? Not here. And not here. Drop down template. So visible should be true. Wait, looks like I've deleted somewhere something very important also. So okay, no, before that. Okay, let's try now. Okay, that's work now. What I deleted? So this definitely we can delete. This definitely also. Like so. This is the same. This we can delete. Oh yeah, probably I deleted that. Yeah, I think I deleted just that line which we just fixed right now. Okay. So yeah, that's the problem. I just forget that I deleted that. Here is just option. And here is equals to true. Should work. Let's see again. Any things we can delete. Presentation layer, your animations. Okay, looks like should work. Let's check. Yes, rarity, for example, secret. Switch to crates, survivors. Works, finally. Okay, now what we need to do else? We need to finally connect our... Oh, wait, one more thing about viewer. In crates viewer, we need to connect our amount on our screen. Connect and show that. And also connect these buttons with buying and selling. So this one, wait, should work. Viewer creates model window, canvas group, amount, text x amount. We need to update viewer here, just. I don't know, maybe we just create a method which updates the amount. Maybe, because I'm not sure this is the good idea to refresh all this UI. Okay, let's go update. Like this, but name we don't need, I think. Well, no. Okay, new item. Need. Okay, viewer self GUI creates. And we need to connect update with our top controller, I think. Viewer controller. Viewer controller and update, I think. Okay, maybe new item will be. We have selected item here, I think. Selected item, yeah. And what is selected item? Let's check. Okay, great. Let's check. Maybe method doesn't work, I think. Yes. Oh no, it's work. just doesn't update that. Okay, what is amount? Okay, it's not updated, the problem of that. So there's old data here, the problem with that. Maybe here is selected item. Yeah, render items, select item, yeah. Self-selected item. Maybe I just need to send select item. Yo, how's the progress? Great, bro, great, thank you. Hey, hello, hey, welcome, guys. New item. Print amount. Okay, no, that's bad. Let's check first what new item we have here. Are you okay? You're coughing, that's why I worried. Yeah, bro, thanks for your caring. Yeah, I just was a little, not a little, I was sick like maybe a week ago. That's why it's I'm a little coughing. Before it was worse, so now I hope better. Anyway, yeah, it's like after a sickness. A new item, great viewer. What's the problem? Oh, because this is just a name of that. This is just a name. Okay, that doesn't self-selected item. This is just a name, I think. Yeah, just a name. So we need somehow update here the data. Maybe not here. Wait, where we get here our data? Update. Oh, inventory data, yeah. Maybe just inventory data. Maybe self get items we send here. Print new item. And I wanna see one more here. Print selected item. What we have? It's just a name. Also, I think. Okay, this is selected item, and this is integrate 200. Okay, so we can get like so the data. Function create sphere get create. Call new item equals to self get create and data. And we need to find create here. Okay. Local select name equals to self selected item. Selected item dot name. And we need to compare with name of that. Or properties. Okay, create in data do for okay no if create dot name not equals to selected name, then continue end. If equals return rate, I think. New item. Let's go. Oh, that's work. Okay, great. Print item. It creates properly everything, I hope. Yeah, nice. Okay, great, that's work. But I don't like how our viewer looks like. Okay, so create viewer. We also need to change these buttons. Yeah. Or wait, or maybe that's okay. Survivors, equip cell. Open. Oh, okay. Open cell just. So we need to connect open button and cell button. Connect with that. Okay, what first we'll make? Let's connect cell button. I think this cell button. And open, yeah. That's it. Let's go. So we have a test. Open button activated. Open create event. Go to local remote. Let's create open crate. And just name. Crate name amount. Okay. No, I think amount only one will be. Just buy we can a lot. Okay, local remotes, open crate, crate name. Open. And here is self selected item name, I think. Oh, that's work. So easy, really? News first, let's go. Wait, what the hell? Select all, so selected. Okay. Crates. Yeah, just not updated that. and we need to update this when we open. So let's go here. Should be updated. How long will it take you? Assume. No, I'm not assuming, bro. As soon as possible. So, data, we're getting data here, but don't update our UI for some reason. Current tab. What if we do that without update, just like so? Oh, I know what the problem will be. Like this. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, that's the bad idea. Do like so. Oh, what the game is this? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here's a pinned message in the chat. Here's 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. So, okay, what's the problem right now we have? We don't update our all GUI, all tabs. So we update only current tab, right? But we need to update it on all tabs. So current tab, inventory, data. Can we update the data on all tabs, by the way? Yeah, we need to check this in tab controller, or wait, buttons controller maybe. Self tabs survivors, maybe like so. Tabs survivors. Upgrades, enter data. I don't know. Okay, let's select all. Then delete. Nice, let's go. So we update data on the all. Here will be, of course, monsters also, but a bit later. Can we do like so for top in Sorry, button stops. Do. Stop dot inventory data equals to date. I'm not sure it's possible, but let's try. Hi sir, hello, welcome. Profan, are you really good at solving your game problems? Good job. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's sell all of that. Okay. Nice, great. And by the way, I've got, so it will be shorter. Oh, instead of all of that, why it's good? Because, for example, I don't need to describe this as a monster or something like so. Just it automatically see where we need to update that. And current tab we will already render with this. Just refresh the data in our subclasses. Maybe we need somewhere else to do that. Maybe in viewers we also need to update that. Let's see how we call that. That's a nice game you're building. Thank you. So data creates update, viewer update. Okay, this is for create stop only. It will be like so. That's okay. Wait, maybe we can make more performant, more optimized script for creates, I think. Or that's okay. Maybe that's okay. 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 Anyway, I think it's better if we turn off our selection mode when we when we selected. We need to turn it off. It'll be more comfortable for me because I really try to turn it off every time. And deselect all also. Let's go in our filter controller, I think. No, filter UI controller. Here's filter UI controller, change tab. Wait, no, maybe filter. This is about filter. Selection mode controller. Yeah, great. This is what I told about selection, different module, but these buttons in one line. But it's very comfortable to handle all of that separately because of that, because of modules. Hello, Mimera, welcome, bro. You got this, dude. Thank you, bro. Thank you, guys. Okay, so select all. We need toggle selection mode, I think. Let's go. When we deselect all self, toggle selection mode. Select button activated. Cells after cell selected. Okay, what's the difference? For example, I go to selection mode. I select all, I deselect all, we're out of selection mode. Just, it's more comfortable. Selection mode, select all, for example, cell selected, we're out of selection mode. We don't need to turn it off every time. This is really annoying me already. So that's better. More comfortable for me. Okay, so now we already connected but so easy connected. It's very strangely. Yeah, let's connect cell button. Cell. Okay, maybe let's first connect buy more. Yeah. Buy more, and we need to window. We have description. Yeah, I think this will be, or this one will be. Yeah, this will be absolutely amazing for our purposes. We need to create one more window here. Let's go in our viewer. Let's go in our crates. Just like so. Let's create like a title, but it will be buy more. Buy more. Like this. Image, and let's choose this thing. Chances, I think. Buy more. Maybe this size will be enough. Maybe smaller. Yeah, smaller, I think. Like this. Buy more. Let's create. This is text box. Here is. Let's create a text label. Let's change them size first. 0.3, like this. Text box, background transparency 0.5, I think. like so, and let's add stroke. Border like this. I think will be bigger. Okay. For 0.5. And properties, position 0.5. 0.5. Background transparency 1. Font Freedoka 1. Color white. And let's place it like so. Text. How much you wanna buy? Bro, what is the last time you test the game? Oh, bro, for a very long time, like a month ago, because I focused on all of that. So that's it. I haven't watched stream much. Yeah, that's it, bro. For a very long time. Because I'm just making a lobby. That's why it's so. As soon as I start making, like the main game, we test often. Profound, what's this panel when I want to join your Discord? It's asking me to request to join or something. Yeah. Just I need to accept you. I don't know, this is just a question for something. Just you can respond anything you want. Yeah. This is because Discord not allows to join without this thing when a channel is under 1000 members. That's why I should do like so. Or I need to use the bots, but I don't like the bots. For that purposes, it's better just to approve on my own. Be like so. Hi, hello. So I approved you in Discord. How much you wanna buy? For example, I tell like 1000 I wanna buy. I can't. What's up, bro? Again, how are you today? What's up, bro? What's up? I'm good, thank you. Or maybe we just even move this like here, like on the middle of the screen. Why not? Text box, and maybe, yeah, let's add here as a constraint, of course. Let's increase the size of that. Maybe size 25, I think will be better. Or 30 maybe. Yeah, 30. 30. Stroke. And we need some buttons. Why not make it bigger for people to see better? Because it appears only when people press buy more. Like, they probably see that. Like, something appear on their screen. Oh. Maybe like here will be, like here, I think, like it covers like so. Oh, this is just you press buy more, you type here how much you want and press OK or cancel, and that's all. Okay, we have two buttons. That's good. Buy and cancel, and we use that. Buy and cancel. Let's take this button. I think in Survivors we take that. Direction buttons. Okay, let's take. At the limit, because sometimes there's a bug. If you buy more than 100, you will only get 99. What? Why you suppose it will be a bug here? You even not test that. How you suppose that there is a bug? Okay, there's a buttons folder will be. I have made one before, and a lot of people have the same problem. Okay, we check that, but it's very strangely like you have that bug. So what's the bug? What's the bug with the data store, with profile store, or what's the bug? Or just with numbers? Where was your bug? I'm very interested, because never heard about that. Okay, buy this. And the same. Buy. Cancel. Why cancel? Text box also we need to change the size, of course. Size 25, I think. Text. Text color white. Font Docker 1. The GUI looks very nice and polished. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. What about anchor point of that? Oh yeah, great. Great. I think we can even increase the size of that, like 30, I think. 35 maybe. Yeah, like this. Constraint. and constraint here we have, let's set, okay, buy more, this is and here is sell more also. So buy more, let's hide. What about sell more? Text, how much you wanna sell? Sell. About this. When you let players buy items, sometimes the code doesn't check for the maximum limit. For example, if a player tries to buy more than 100, the script may only give them 99 because of how the data is stored or capped. Bro, you probably don't understand how my script works. This is not crates like one item every time for crates. If you buy 1 million crates, it's just in your data store send one request which change for ninja crate, for example, number from 1 and add 1 million for that. I am not create 1 million times every time new crate. That's absolutely a terrible approach if you think about this. So I don't see any problems with that. Like, you just change in your data store amount from 1 to 1 million in one request. You don't need to send it 1 million times. So I don't know why you had a problem with 99 with that, but I'm pretty sure on 99% that I don't have this problem, because it's absolutely weird if I face that, because I sent only one request for that, not 1 million requests. Photoshop probably, and we need to find where's our buttons. Probably lobby main buttons. I don't know, but I'll try tomorrow like this. Local max bot. Bro, I don't know how your script looks like. If you have for loop which create like +1 +1 +1 +1 +1 and updates data store every time, your code doesn't fit to my approach. I tell you about my code, how this works. I'm not creating a million crates when I update the player data. If he wants to buy 1 million crates, I send just change the amount of crates from 0 to 1 million in one request, and we just calculate, for example, 200 coins will cost my one crate. I just multiply 200 coins by 1 million crates, and we see if the player has this amount of coins, and in one request we remove a certain amount of coins. This is 200 millions, for example, and that's all. like couple of requests, 3 requests, and I added 1 million crates. If in your code you have why it works for me, maybe bro you create unique items, this is absolutely different. If so, you're right. Because for example, if I would sell the survivors which have unique stats, unique rarities, like a lot of parameters here, yeah, it doesn't work for me if I would do like this, because I need to create each item, and each item is unique. About this, crates, they're absolutely the same. I have just a crate, and for example, ninja crate equals to amount of ninja crates equals to 1 million, and I'm not hold 1 million in my inventory, I just hold amount of them. And when I open the crate, I just make -1, for example. That's how it works for me. So if you have for a loop which create like unique item every time, yeah, for you data store is probably break like on 100 requests, because really that's a lot of data you send, and probably will be a very high ping, and definitely you don't need to allow to do like so. So for example I have so players here, why I'm not allowed the players open like 10 crates in a row here? Because of that, like you tell, because that's a lot of data I sent. Like imagine some player decided to open 1 million crates. This is absolutely break the whole game, I think, because each item is unique item, and it's not just change number of items. It's for each we need to create parameters, rarities, textures, and yeah. So if you have in your game unique items, yeah, my approach doesn't work. But if we tell about my game, it shouldn't be any issues, because I don't see like 3 requests. This is absolutely nothing for data for profile store. Like this is really the problem with that only appears when you send a lot of data in a short period of time, and this data has a big amount, big size, like a lot of tables you send. This is absolutely this is this is really so tables, like big tables, this is yeah, sometimes of course I also do that, but if you can avoid that, your data works faster, definitely. So instead of send the whole table of item like rarities and so on, if it's possible, you can send for example I don't as you see, as I told, crates don't have ID, crates don't have crates have 2 parameters, amount and name, that's all. So this info I just sent, and that's it. So really ping high because you sent a lot of requests with big size data. Okay, not necessarily with big size, a lot of requests in short period of time, because if I properly read about that, to save resources, servers, this is not only about Roblox, when they send, like you try to send 1000 requests in a second, instead of just sending each request, because it takes a lot of resources on the server, for example a Roblox server, it's just decided, oh, there is a lot of requests, we increase delay and form it in a big package and send it at once, like a bit later, like after 1 second, and there is a high ping appear because of that, because a lot of requests. So to save resources, servers decided to form that a lot of that almost the same data in one big package and send that. I'm not sure. This is I am completely tell you how it works because I'm not experienced in this a lot. But this is like I read on developer forum, one guy told about that, like network optimization. So really try to avoid sending a lot of data very often. So, and if it's possible, do better like this. Like couple of requests, this is absolutely nothing, and ping will be good. Hello Profan, how are you? Hello Ali. Hello, I'm good, thank you bro, thank you. I'm taking notes, I suck at making data stories. I also bro not good at data stores, but this is just I faced a lot of problems with that. Really, so yeah, I faced in my first game average ping was 150 always, so I know what's so this is really I struggling with that a lot of times, and then I found out that we need to use less remote events. This is the first, and we need to optimize netcode. This is very important of that. Like remote events also like increase your ping. So just bro probably need to try different ways, and you find better way for you. If someone bought a million, that would send a million requests too, right? That would cause luck if two people or even more bought a million. Instant crush. In my system, no bro, it's not. No, they trillion can buy, bro. That's no matter. I sent not million and trillion requests. If a person wanna buy a million, I sent like he wanna buy 1 million in a one request, not 1 million requests, and each like 200 coins, 200 coins, 200 coins by one, and no, this is unoptimized. Just by a million, and for example, it costs for player 200 millions. So if all right, we just change in your data store ninja crates, for example, number from 0 to 1 million. That's all. Like couple of requests, bro. No any issues. So probably you don't completely understand how it works, but I'll show you. I'm sure it don't have a luck. I'm sure because this is just a numbers. I just send a number. A number. This is small size, very small. Profan, should I continue my old anti-cheat project or should I make a new game? What is your anti-cheat project? What's that? Just this is not a game like anti-cheat project, or should I make a new game? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Depending on what you like more. Like if you it's hard question, bro, because really, for example, I better focusing on games instead of just making systems, because I wanna just create a games which I wanna play in the future. That's why. Anti-cheat, you can make a game where you put anti-cheat, maybe increase your anti-cheat, or put your anti-cheat in your new game. That why not? Why not? Do you know how can I make so I can autocomplete with self when there is a function method in a module, like I assign a type to self. So can I complete with self when there is a function method in the module, like you there's a function method in module, like you call the method like this, but it's not autocomplete for you, right? Unfortunately, bro, I don't know, I also struggling with that if you about this. As you see, I create config before that anyway, and I tried different times, and as you see, I don't know, bro, I also struggling if you about this, like after filling this with creating methods like functions in default script. I don't know, bro, I'm not experienced about that. If I found out that, I tell you. Less remote events, I got like 2 in my shop, client and server. That's great, bro. But okay, that's bad, bro, what I told. Not less remote events, less firing them as less as possible. And I don't know if you know about this case yeah, case here. I don't know how to read that. Here's, I don't know, you know about this. Here's, we have unreliable events, remote event. So you unreliable remote event, it looks with question like this. This is like default, but with one feature, it's unreliable. So you can use that. For example, you need to call animations, you need to call some effects. So this is not guaranteed to transfer your data like so. So these remote events, for example, for data store or some other stuff, you need to use that, of course, or remote functions maybe. Unreliable remote events, this is like some effects, some sounds you need to call for everyone, something like so. Because they way less take your how it's called, like network performance, or how, I don't know how to call that. I think you understand what I mean. Like decrease your like optimize your net code, yeah, like so. Makes your code more optimized by using that. So so unreliable remote events, really, you also try to use, because for unnecessary things, like not very important things. You can read about this. Maybe you know about this. I don't know, because I knew that since I started this challenge, like so. So that's it. My anti-cheat project was about preventing the most exploits in any game, so I could use it in future games. That's great, bro. Anyway, if you make like isolated system which you can implement in any games, this is great. This is great, bro. Because I'm also trying to do like so, like make inventory system which easy implement to my future games. Because really, and it'll be great if you make just anti-cheat for your projects and use it everywhere. So I don't know, bro. I don't know. All depends on your wishes. I don't know what you want more. So, but my opinion. If I want you, I just make a game, and inside here I put this anti-cheat and maybe upgrade that, and maybe like so. It only fires when someone buys. Okay, bro. Okay, but I mean, like probably in your game you'll have some animations or something like so. So you can use unreliable events if you know about that. If you maybe you knew about that, I don't know. So like animations, sounds for everyone, like fire all clients you can for sounds, for example, and unreliable events, this is fits here like so. What's up? How is the game going? Looks banger. Thank you, bro. All great, all going great. Still continue working. Banger like always. Thank you. Wow, thank you. Hello guys. Gotta go. Okay. So guys, I will be here in 2 minutes. I'll be here in 2 minutes. I'm back, my boys. Have you created main modules for specific sets of tasks and organized them so that you don't have to reuse the same code multiple times? I use OOP, bro. I use OOP. And direct drive and domain design. Or drive and domain design, yeah. Drive and domain design. If you about this. So, okay. Let's recall. Oh, wait. Yeah, of course. Of course, this is very important. Don't repeat yourself. This is very important thing. But OOP is much better in these cases, for me at least. I really love that, how it's organized. Okay, let's open probably this, I think. No, not this. Maybe this, I don't know. No. Lobby leaderboard. Okay, I need to delete all of that soon because I really tired of finding anything here. What the hell? Open inventory. Where I made all of that. Badges, what the hell? Bye. Ability effects, okay. Crosshair, okay. Okay, let's make this all together. Others UI. Just effects will be this. Icons, okay. Map parts, okay. This other. We can delete all of that. Layer effects, delete. Quality patterns. Variable. Fast cast. Speed lines. Right textures. The patterns, I think. Patterns. It's better. Now it's better, definitely. Okay, where's my in icons? I think Photoshop. Illustrator, we don't need at all, I think. Like so more organized. Like so, in this also we don't need. Okay, let's find that. That's cool. Keep up your amazing work. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much. For Alone Dave 2, you have any notes that you have for Alone Dev 2? You have any notes that I could use? Didn't get like you wanna give me some tips, or oh, you could use or you wanna like a tips? I don't understand, bro. Like your last sentence. What is the game gonna be about? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. Who's new, guys? Here is a pinned message in the chat. Here is 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Okay, let's open our buttons. Maybe this. Looks like so. Said hi, hello, I'm back. Hello, welcome back. Yeah, here's a window. Buttons, okay, great. What the hell is here? Info, we don't need. Viewer. Okay, buttons. Okay, nice. Yeah, that's it. Cancel button. Don't give up, I believe in you. You can finish this game. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, cancel. So I just need one. This one, nice. Okay, now let's copy that first. Like here. And here we already cancel blue. No. No. Let's cancel will be red and cell will be green. Just make like so. What time is where for you? Mine is 3 or almost 4 p.m. bro. Almost 4 p.m. Almost 4 p.m. Okay, let's delete that. I need cell button. Yeah, exactly this. Duplicate. And let's make it green just. Let's make this green. Green like so, I think. Maybe this icon make a little different color. Okay, trim, transparent. Yellow, maybe you're right. Let's check. Maybe you're right. Yeah, you're right. Thank you. That's better. So, and now we connect that. And I hope we finish finally. Quick export. Cell green. Let's go to upload here this image. Sell this one. Okay, good. I like that. Sell or cancel. And yeah, that's it. So now let's hide that. And let's go in our script. So, show get create. Pop up buy more and pop up sell more. So what we need when we call that? We need to call, of course, local buy more. Okay, buy more, self GUI create model window, and buy more. And here we have sell more. Like this. Okay. Just visible. Okay, no. Pop up. Because of that, because just we copy and paste parameters. Profane, I think it would be better if you added the text amount to sell. The text or rather how much you wanna sell. Let's go. Maybe you're right. Older people that don't speak English might not know what wanna means. Yeah, bro. Thank you. You're right. Yeah, this is my bad. Amount to sell. Let's go. Sell. Yeah, it's shorter. And it's more clear. You're right. Sell more. And this one. It should be 1, 2, but that would be too long. How much you want to sell? It would be better to type amount on sell. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Thank you. You're right. Anyway, shorter is better always. So yes. By amount. Or amount to buy. Amount to buy, maybe, right? Like so, I think. Okay, so, oh yeah, I wanted to add something else here, of course. Something else I want to add here. Amount to buy and let's duplicate that. Amount to buy, text. Amount to buy is grammatically correct. Okay, bro. Okay, thank you. Amount to buy. Total cost, I think. Total cost. Yeah, guys, I'm not a native speaker, so feel free to if you see any mistakes. It really helps me to fix that. Scaled. So total cost. Day 74 out of 30. Yes, you're right. Total cost. Total cost. Text. I think we can separate that by 2 parts. Let's make a frame here. Post frame. Let's change the size. Position. That link doesn't work. What a link? In the chat? Gaming? That's work, bro. For me, that's work. So cost will be inside. Title. Amount. Size 0.5. Amount, position. .5, like so. Transparency 1. I never realized that they made the GUI so much easier to make. Bro, it's not easy. I do it for a very long time. It takes a lot of time. I don't... Maybe for guys who really love that, yeah, they do that easier and faster. But for me, this is struggling always. Okay, like so, I think. I haven't done any studio stuff in like 5 years. Maybe one day you just finish it. This is common problem, bro. This is common problem, like so. Like so. Total cost. Maybe we can even make this shorter, I think. Size that's a good idea. Would be a plus and minus and max button, so it picks the maximum amount the player can buy with that money. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. No, bro. This, if he wanna buy one, there's another button. But buttons, that's cool, like plus and minus. Yeah, that's a cool idea, but how to implement that here? Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, let's 36. One minus 6, like so. Position. Oh. Yeah, that's a good idea, but how to make that properly? Interesting. Size 0.5, for example. I didn't see by X1, so you can only add max button. It checks how much money the player has and how much it costs, and calculates it how many the player can buy. Yeah, you're right, bro, you're right. But what about this text box? Need to move it? Like max, maybe we place here. If they're ready to buy X1, I think there's no need to add plus or minus. Yes. Buy max. Maybe place here. Here. I don't know. Like this. Let's go. Like this will be the button. So will be the, oh wait, like this will be the button here. Profound, do you have any idea when the game is gonna be ready? No, bro, any deadlines anymore. Only as soon as possible, I can tell. That's it. Yeah, the ride is good. Yes, but maybe not so long. Maybe just max will make. Sell button, copy. Sell button, this is green. This is max. Button max. So let's go here. So what? In player leader stats, bro, if you check in your game, this will be bad approach, because leader stats, this is just a value inside your GUI. This is better use data store. This is minimum, but I use profile store for that. One second, guys. So better check in this. Better check in your data instead of that. If you... Hey, what's up? The first, I speaking on my streams only in English, because there is a lot of audience English speakers. So advanced Roblox coding book, I don't know, bro, I don't know. Never read any books about coding. You don't definitely need like some books. You can find a lot of tutorials on YouTube. Developer forum, documentation, all free. You don't need like definitely book about coding. So help you this or not, like Roblox, guys, someone read the book Advanced Roblox coding book? Never heard about that. And really, you don't need like books, I think. This is my opinion, just because a lot of tutorials, bro, a lot of tutorials about that. Get the amount, calculate total cost, check if player has enough coins. If yes, subtracts coins and stock and print bot X. If not, print not enough coins. We get an example idea. So then the player could buy multiple at once. If you want, I can translate to Russian. No need, no need, bro. You think I don't know how to make the script for buying crates, or what the hell, bro? I don't understand, like this is about your game, or you about my game, bro. Or just if you're about my game, bro, I already have the system which calculates and check how much money you have. This is not a problem. I don't have UI. This is the problem of that. So gotcha, thanks a lot, God bless you, have a good day. Thank you, you too, bro, you too, same. Coding books are a waste of time. Actual coding is best practice. I also think so. Never read books about coding in Roblox, so I'm not sure about that. Maybe, I don't know. So this is hard question because I never faced that. Yo, Profan, you hit 800 sub. Congratulations. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. That's cool. I don't doubt you. I'm just giving you an idea to improve it. Bro, don't worry. The problem right now, we solve all the problems. This is about UI. I already have a system which for buying crates. That's not a big deal. The problem right now, we need to improve that, to make it buy more. This is what we do. Like, crate system has already worked, and we don't need to remake that. And really, if you suggested to make if you make in your games like you made, if you check in leader stats coins, I'm not recommend you to do that probably, because better if you check that in your data store. But data store is not good in my opinion. Better profile service, or even better profile store. This is like upgraded profile service. Because when I started making my first game, I saved everything from data store, and sometimes after teleporting in other place, so this was at our defense, I go to the elevator, and after teleporting, the half of my inventory wasn't equipped. So data store is definitely not the best. Like people has already created good modules. Okay, wait, what's the size we need? Like this one, like this one. We need probably to create a button template. Oh yeah, that's it, let's go. Button template. Oh yeah, that's it. Button template. Okay, let's make it smaller, I think, like this. Like this, I think. Let's check. Even shorter, I think. Be like this. Just let's try, for example. What's that? Okay, convert to smart object, and these effects. Okay. Said hi, hello, welcome. And let's take this button and put here. This we turn off. I really like about auto select item, auto select option in Roblox, because look, if I turn off this, that's if I select this layer, I move only this layer. From where? Really, I don't know if we ever face that in Roblox. because I'm tired when you try to hold, when you try to drag your UI, you drag everything. So this, like so. How hard is to make a Roblox game from zero knowledge? I'll show you, bro, how it's hard. I'll show you. 1 second. I did the same, bro. I started my first game with absolutely zero experience and I made a video about that. I'm total noob here. I don't understand how the programming works at all, and maybe it will help to you. Hard or not? Definitely hard, bro. Definitely hard. But if you enjoy, if you really like that, like, this time flies, really. So this is a video about my first game. Maybe some of you guys didn't see that. This is from that video I started the whole my career. And by the way, in that video I can't even imagine that like I do all of that so long. I thought, oh, maybe I create only one video about like if it's possible to make a game in Roblox in 30 days. And because I had other YouTube channel about gaming, and I thought this is the video will be like just one of the video about this, and that's all. But I really realized, like, I really love that. I want to continue that. Oh yeah, yeah. Auto select. Maybe like so. Let's try. But guys, the main thing about development, and not only development, guys, about a lot of things in your life, because I tried a lot of things in my life, and the problem, guys, not about hard this or not about your skills. The problem about you have a lot of doubts to start. This is the main problem. This is the main problem, always was for me, and I know how it feels. Okay, max. I know how it feels when you think, oh, maybe I don't have I don't know, good camera to start streaming. Maybe I don't have a good camera to make videos. Maybe I don't have powerful computer to make games. This is always like so, guys. This is always like so. But winner, you know who? Winner, the guy who just started, who make the first step. If you make first step, bro, you already ahead a lot of people, because they thinking, oh, maybe not time. This is always like so. So really, don't worry if you think about like, should I do that or not, it's hard or not, bro, just do. You definitely need to try that, because it's hard to tell. I don't know if it'll be hard for you, if it'll be interesting for you to make that. So I like that. You like that? I like that, how it looks like. So because this is pretty hard really question, and it's impossible that I respond instead of you like these questions, because guys, we all different, and you have your thoughts. Maybe you try Roblox and you realize, oh, this is not mine. The same for me. I always thought like this is not for me, like Roblox development at all, like programming at all. But I tried and I realized, wow, this is really amazing. I wanna do it every day, and I'm here. So really, guys, don't just, you need to try. If you wanna find yourself, you need to try a lot of times. It's good if you have like aims in your life, but to find yourself, this is a pretty hard question. Always, for everyone, because I saw a lot of people who just think but not try, and as less you try, as less chances to find really thing you like the whole your life, and you really enjoy of that. So that's it, my boys. That's it. Okay, I think amount to sell, buy more. So buy more, I like that. I like that, yeah. Also, it's good to plan out and gather info before starting a big project. Always help us to fall back to notes and info you gained over time. Yes, bro, absolutely agree. And I use for that Excalidraw. This is great site if you wanna make a plan here. You wanna make a schemes plan, anything you want here. This is really, if someone helps to you, you can use that. This is absolutely amazing, because yeah, I tried some websites for plan, but really interface, this is important. Agree, guys? Of course agree, because really visual things also very important, and I like how it looks here, and yeah, so maybe some of you use that. Okay, text box, let's take from here and put here. Sell more. Amount to sell. Also max will be, yeah. And also let's put cost frame here also. Yeah, let's do like so better. But here is text amount to sell. So yeah, total refund, I think, right? Refund. Total refund. This amount. And let's, by the way, in text box. Oh no, this is just amount. Okay. Amount to sell. Okay, let's check. All looks good or not. Amount to sell. Amount to buy. Okay, let's go. Let's set it up. Buy more. Let's start with buy more. Pop up text box dot text equals wait, we need to also make thing which to restrict our text box. I somehow did it before. A text box text equals to 1 example. Okay, let's set it up first. Cost frame. Okay, let's create local cost frame. Okay, no, let's make it here. First frame, post frame, pop up, post frame, post frame, dot amount, dot text equals to 0. Text label, okay. By pop up by more. The same thing we make here. Post frame. Let's connect all buttons here. Okay, no. Function. Init. Init pop-up buttons. Let's make that like so. Model window. Model window dot buy more. Okay, no, let's make it local. Model window. Text equals 1, not 1, just in case you get error pop up. This is the same, bro. This is the same. Let's check that even right now. Shouldn't be any error, bro. Pop up by more. Pop up by more. Self. Pop up by more. Let's check that. That's work. That's work. Because numbers, it's automatically converted into strings. You don't need to convert it to string. And sell more, the same. Let's connect to this button. Sell. So you're using to number text box text. No, not to number. We need to check the type. I did it somehow. We see self like okay, let's read about that. No, we need to exclude these characters. Studio, RobloxStudio, text box, text box, numbers only. How you doing the one equals 1 instead of because my one errors when I do this. I don't know, bro. I don't know what's the problem. It always works easy. It should works for you. You probably I don't know. I always did like so it works. Probably there is some other errors you have. Oh yeah, I already did that. Yeah, that's it. This is contains text box. Okay. Up text box. Okay, let's create a variable. Local text box. Text box. Let's make it here. Text box. And let's try. Wait. This is, oh, buy more, right? Sell more, yeah, sell more. So let's put here also, like so. Yeah, I can't, yeah, nice. I can't type characters. Only numbers, great. And we need to reach to set the limit. Okay, let's make function text box limiter, and we put everything here. Text box also if text box probably we need to do it here, right here, I think. If text box, it's text more and text box text more than 1000, for example, then Xbox text equals, probably it doesn't work, I think, 1000. Let's try that. Oh wait, I didn't connect that. So text box limiter. Sup bro, sup, welcome. Okay, let's check by more numbers. I can't, oh yeah, compare number to string. Number zero. local limit. Xbox input state. Text box. Focused. Not function. Focus lost, I think. Okay. So only after focus lost. Yes, great. This is what I want to achieve. What's that? Oh, great. Yeah. I know what we need to make here. We need to make like so, I think. Sell more. Okay, let's finish with this first. Okay, so limiter we get. Xbox limiter like 10,000. This is the maximum. I think that's enough. So, okay, we need calculator, of course. Modules, let's create utils. Create price calculator. Function create price calculator. Calculate. So we have the data here or not? I'll be here in 2 minutes, guys. I'm back. Oh, price calculator. What we need here? We need item, amount, data. Okay, so we just call the main data controller. Or not. So there's two ways how I can do that. No, just return the value for that. And this module will be used by server script separately and also for our UI. So I don't know if it's better. Okay, I wanna see here. Viewer controller self. I wanna see print self. Self. Let's go. Button info controller. UI info. Okay, the problem here, we need to get the data. We need to get the data. Like send the data right here. We can't, because this is creates viewer. We don't have the full data here. We have the data of only one item here. Okay, we'll make that on the server, only on the server this works. It is slower, definitely, but it's better. Okay. And maybe even we can use remote function here, I think. Yes, we can do that. Yeah, okay, go to our local remotes, go to our remote factory, and let's create remote function. create price calculator, we call this function. Let's create a method here, local remote. Create price calculator. Create price remote functions. Function. Remote functions. Self remote functions, we call that. Self remote functions, create price calculator. Return this value. Fire server. We just need to send the create name, yeah, like so. Create name, amount. Create name, amount, yeah, that's it. This is one things we need here, and we need to connect these remote functions. Maybe we even we need to initialize the script. Anyway, we need to initialize. What's up, bro? GG's. Thank you. What's up? Create price calculator. Okay. Wait. Okay, how we request the data on the local script, by the way. So we just update the data here and we don't request it at all. Let's see it. Maybe we need to create this system inside our create system. In domain. I'm not sure about this. I'm absolutely not sure about this, that this is like a best approach. So the main problem here, to get the data, to get the proper data, if we make it only locally, we can do that. And maybe, but we need to get the data. Rate data. Okay, what if we create maybe data here also? Self data. Data. What about this? Create viewer. Let's go. Info controller. Self inventory data. Okay, maybe this is like a solution, and let's print self data here. I want to see that. Okay. Yeah, let's do like so. That's a good approach. This is definitely, so we calculated separately without any remote functions. I don't like that. And let's remove our unnecessary remote function which we created before. Infrastructure in our inventory system. Remotes, we don't need that. Local remotes, we, okay, it will be like here for the future things. Okay, we close that. Local remotes we don't need. And this one, okay, self data we now here. Self data. We can even send the whole data. We don't. Oh, wait. No. That's great. We need full data anyway here. We need the full data here. And let's go just call our create price calculator. That's great. So let's go to modules. Let's go here, local modules, replicate the storage modules, local create price calculator equals require modules rate utils create price calculator. Okay, create price calculator. We need to do it here, local calculate, and we need item. Do you hire? No, I'm working only on my own, bro. I'm working only like so. Okay, local price equals 0, and return price like so. How many hours needed to be expert in scripting? I don't know, bro. I'm not an expert to talk about that. I don't know. This is a hard question, and all depends what for you is an expert. Okay, what we need? We need item. This is, wait, create name, create name. 1000 hours. This is hard question, bro. This is really hard question. Like you can spend 1000 hours on one game and you probably could learn like a little bit, or you for 1000 hours can create 10 projects, and this is will be faster, will learn faster. This is better, really, like if you make a lot of small projects instead of just focusing on one project. So I don't know, guys, this is what I told about. When you're thinking about it's difficult, or should I start, how many hours I need to be an expert, guys, just the main thing about this, you need just to start and just need to start, make first steps, guys, and you already will be ahead a lot of guys who also think, oh, maybe I need to start, maybe it's difficult, maybe I need 1000 hours, maybe I need. Guys, just don't think about that, just you need to try that, and if you enjoy, time flies, like for me. How many years of experience do you have? 1.5 years. Okay, a little bit more, but something like that. Thanks, dude, this helped. No problem, bro. Just try, guys, maybe it'll be easier than for me, and you make it easier. What languages can you make in? Programming languages, only Lua. Your organization is actually crazy good. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. This is object-oriented programming and driven domain design. Yeah, like so. This is architecture about structuring this inventory system. There's 4 layers. Create system. There's 4 layers. Because really very difficult to handle all that without that. But I just started. Don't think I always do that like so, guys. I also learned that like month ago only. OP and direct drive domain design, like so. Is this your full-time job? Yes, bro, yes, this is my full-time job. Okay, so price calculator, we need create name, amount and data. Create name, we need just to take selected item, I think. Selected item, this is the name. Can I be good at making game in 1 year in Roblox? Bro, I don't know how I can respond about this. There's this very complicated question, bro, because I can't respond for that question, really. All depends on your skills, bro. If you just make games slowly in 1 year, so I don't know. Maybe you feel how to make a good game, bro. This is a really hard question. Probably your players, if you have 1 year of experience in Roblox, if you have some games, and probably you have some players, and if they enjoy your game, this is show you like feedback about your way, bro. I don't know what's your games, I don't know what you did, and like 1 year, this is tell me nothing, bro, about your skills. So maybe you even better than me. I spent 1.5 hours, bro. Years. I don't know, bro. This is a hard question because I don't know who are you and what's your previous experience and what's your skills. Because, for example, I am full stack developer. A lot of you think maybe that's cool. This is not cool, guys. Full stack developer, this is the guy. So I do everything. Starts from YouTube, Blender, GUI, thumbnails, scripting, and all things. some of you thinks this is cool. This is not cool, guys. This is you need to focus on everything. You need to focus on all things. You need to focus, and if you do like so, if you work like so, you're not professional. You're professional nowhere. Like so. This is yeah. There are some. Of course, there are some benefits I have because of that. But at the same time, if I just focus, for example, this 1.5 year on scripting, I would be more professional. I'm sure about that. So, guys, really, this is pretty hard to rate your years. The one way how I can rate. How you can rate this is about your players. If your players enjoy your game, so this is like clear feedback. So you need to, and yeah, of course, like in a month, I think I'll make a stream where we play your games, and maybe I give you some tips. So I announce later in my Discord this stream series when we make that. Not stream series, stream I think one. So guys, but I'm not rate your game like a developer, because I'm not professional developer. This is first, and this is not. I think this is not. Yeah, of course, I probably may give you some tips if I have that, if I have them, but. The main thing, I wanna give you feedback as a player, so how I feel your games as a player, like first my side, because for my games, not always, of course, not always, because it's pretty hard. I can watch, like I never play this game and I can see, oh, this game, for example, my game is boring, or my game is interesting, like so. Of course, this is not always, and I wanna give you this feedback. So guys, Discord in description. Join Discord, and announce will be here when we make this stream series, but I think in a month. I should be grinding hard, bro. Probably not. You need to enjoy. The main part of all of that, guys. The main part, all of that. About all of that, you don't need to lose fun about that, because this is game development in Roblox. What the hell, brothers? What the hell? You don't need to learn like, oh, I grind day and night always. Guys, I'm not grinding all night. I'm just interesting about this. I just love what I do. That's why I continue doing that. If you think I don't have doubts, if you think I don't have bad days when just I don't want to code, or I don't have ideas, or maybe my bugs always appears, guys, I just stop this day making the game, and really continue next day. Go to play games, go to walk, I don't know, anything. Don't think, and of course we all people, guys. Don't make it like don't make it without fun. This is really, you lose motivation very fast. Lose motivation is very easy when you have a big task. Very easy, guys, very easy. I had some experience before Roblox. I tried a lot of things in my life, and I had some experience in things where you need a lot of motivation. And really, don't forget, this is always work, not only in Roblox. If you don't have fun, or it's very difficult for you to make, you quit in a time, like for a while from that. So just make really something which you really like, and that's the key. You don't need to like the whole day and night learn scripting. Because you're really tired and burned out, and forget about this forever. Thanks, really appreciate. No problem, bro, no problem. Hope it helps you, bro. I believe you can do it. Thank you, bro. You dropped this key. Thank you, bro. If I lose motivation, or down that to work, I always watch other people develop, like for fun. Cool, bro. Glad that helps you. That's really, because I really happy to hear that, guys, that this stream series helps some of you. That's cool, because that's one of the purposes of follow that way. But my recommendation, if you have really bad day, for example, a lot of bugs or really coding going bad today, bro, for me, I just forget about this day, about coding this day, and just stop doing that this day, really. Because, guys, sometimes sometimes I face the problems which I solved like 30 times, and one day it just doesn't work, and I spend 2 hours to solve the problem which takes for me 2 minutes, and I don't understand why it doesn't work. I don't know. But then when I stopped doing that, trying that, struggling with myself, next day I solve this problem in 2 minutes. This is always, I don't know how this works, probably you refresh your mind or something like so, but this is the key, guys, this is the key. Because if you burn out, pretty hard to start again, guys. So don't just burn out. Work less, but smart. That's the key. Hi, I'm back. Welcome back. How is it going? Great, bro, great. No worries, have fun learning. Agree, absolutely agree, bro. Okay, create name, amount, data. So we have create name, amount, example, I don't know, 5. Self, data. Money. And really, guys, like a lot of guys today asked me like, oh, it's hard, should I start? Guys, of course you should start, because I can't tell instead of you to you if it's yours or not. This is hard question. Like, you need just to try. Only you can know if it's yours or not, like Roblox development. But as soon as earlier you do that, as as better, definitely. Because think about this, you can think like years. So just try, and if it's not yours, forget and find something else. If it's yours, just you can make little steps, and in a couple of years you'll be a professional. This is of course if you have enough dedication. So that's it. The main problem about a lot of people, like they can't make first step. This was for me also, guys. This was for me also. I felt the same. So just do that. But you're teenagers, like a lot of you are teenagers. I started to make my first steps when I was like 22, maybe 24, something like so. So so guys, if you start earlier than me, you already will be ahead of me. So so Profan, I can give you an idea. I can give you an idea. Roblox Bank scalps so many left, so you would have lower play rates, so you could make a Minecraft server on Minecraft. It's more better and it takes less. Bro, you're kidding. What? You suggested me instead of making games, make a Minecraft server, bro. I think it's a joke, bro. What the hell? Hello, welcome. Hello. By the way, guys, who's new, there is a pinned message in the chat. There is 4 minutes video about this game. So if you want, you can watch what this game about. Bro, Minecraft servers, that's funny suggestion. I thought bro, if you suggest me to go to the Steam or something like so, but Minecraft, really? Okay, what we need here? We need here a config for our crates. Local rates. Game. Let's source, replicate the storage. Services, rate service system, infrastructure, configs, survivor crates. Okay, configs. Survivor crates. Is it fun coding in RobloxStudio? Yes, I have fun, bro. I have a lot of fun here. But it's definitely not for everyone, because it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of motivation for that, and you should really love to do that if you want to make a lot of things here. So, but for me, yeah, bro, this is fun. Glad to open a stream where AI is not in goddamn use with scripting. Produces the most horrible code I ever seen. I used AI, bro. I used AI, but not for my whole code. Like a little part, it helped me. By the way, I like your idea. It's more original of the game than this brain rot content. Thank you, bro. Understand all of that. Thanks that you just earned us up. Thank you very much, my friend. Glad to hear that. Guys, I don't mind like against AI if I don't understand like where someone judge to use AI. Guys, if it's helpful to you, just use that. But for me, I just love coding, and I'm not rely on that. Like I use that to structure my game, because OP was for me hard to understand. Just for tutorials I used for that. So AI, guys, but about AI, be careful, because when I try it's definitely a tool, guys. It's definitely a tool, and I'm sure it can't make the game instead of you. Maybe some simple games, yes, like, but if you want to make a good game, definitely you need to do it on your own. Like, AI can be only helpful, but I'm not rely a lot on that, because it's really too easy to lose your skills when you overuse AI. This is real examples I had. My friends, programmers not in Roblox, told me about that, And really, like, people rely on, like, oh, why I need to spend time making this on my own and just make everything in AI. So I just love coding. That's why maybe I also not rely a lot on that. It'll be great if there will be AI which make UI for instead of me, and great UI. This will be better, but for coding, definitely not about me. Like in little parts only. Little parts, sure. I guess if you need to it, it can speed up production, but some people just use it for the entire thing, and it really gets on my nerves. Like at least put in the bloody effort. Why you care about that, bro? Why you care? Like, you work with these people, or what? If you work with these people, okay. But if this is people, so you just see in I don't know, in videos they do that, bro, why you care about that? This is not your code, so they can do what they want. And so if you want to do anything, you cannot use that in your projects, or maybe this is your workers, I don't know. AI is the worst, bro. I tried using them, but it looked that I was made in China. Because I tried speaking to AI and it was saying something else. AI will replace our jobs. This is great tool, like for things where you don't need precision, or how to call it. Like for example, you need feedback about your structuring your models in Roblox. This is for what I use that. So because maybe I missed something and I just started using OP, and yeah, definitely I had some problems with my structuring my projects. But when I try to asking about the pieces of code, like 2 steps, it goes well, and after that it's absolutely rewrite my whole game. Like, this is really this is my experience. I just share my experience. Maybe some of you use it better than me, and that's it. So AI is great for learning or really quick snippets, learn easier formula, but it's awful if you rely on it too much. Absolutely agree, bro. Yes, yes, that's agree with you, Pop. Yes, but for example, there's one more problem with that sometimes. If there's not a lot of information about some topic, it's always give you some information, but it can be wrong information. I faced the same thing always when I asking about hotkeys in DaVinci Resolve, for example. This is a video editing application. So I asking like what like button B does. It tells me like it cuts the clip. I told like no, it doesn't cut the clip. It tells me, oh yeah, you're right, this is doesn't cut a clip, this is move the clip. I tell no, this is not the move the clip. And it's always suggests really a lot of things, and because I don't know why, maybe that was a new version here and not a lot of info about this. I don't know where to find info about this button. And we finished on that point. That it's again suggested, it's again told me like this is for cutting clips, and I understood, okay, this is just endless loop, and they tell me all these options always, so I'm always right anyway. Profound, you think you can show me quickly your replicated first scripts in the Explorer? I don't have any scripts here. Replicated first, I don't have any scripts because I don't understand much how it works. I think I hear it's here you load things and make a loading. Replicated first. This is storage which uploads first, like earlier than others storages, something like so. I never used that, bro. It's empty for me, but I read about that. This is, yeah, this is something like so. Like this is the first storage uploaded in your game. So replicated storage, for example, later and so on, and some other, how it's called, services, or how it's called, I don't know. And proof, look at the function's name. What is function's name? Calculate. Calculate, yeah. Calculate, yeah, thank you, bro. Calculate. Calculate, what the hell? Thank you, bro. Okay, so we need survivor crates. Require crates config survivor crates. Okay, survivor crates. Oh, thanks. So when player joins, he will first upload all the contents in replicated first in priority. I'm not sure about player, bro. I'm not sure about player. You definitely better if you read about this in documentation or developer forum, because I'm okay. Let's read about this. I'm also now interested about this. What's that? Replicated. Oh, maybe for player. Container whose contents are replicated to all clients. Oh, yeah, you're right, bro. This is about player. My bad. But not back to the server first before anything else. What is replicated first for? Is most commonly used to store local scripts. Oh, really? And other objects that are essential for the game's start. It is ideal for creating loading GUIs or tutorials. You're right about loading things. For objects that do not to be replicated first, developers should use replicated storage container instead. So never use that, bro, but probably I can use that. So that's it. Okay, let's close that. I thought maybe this is for game storage, like server storage, but this is not. Okay, let's calculate our price. Survivor crates. Survivor crates. Let's check something weird with our survivor crates. Maybe I'll not return that. Yes, anyways, good luck. Thank you, bro. It's you too. Okay, oh yeah. Ninja crate. We need the price here, and that's all we need. Okay. Calculate. let's create let's create one more function here. Get config. If survivor create name, and else if here's will be monster creates also, but we don't have a config for now. Monster creates create name not found. If survivor creates name, config. So we need to get the config first. Local config equals local function. We can make that, by the way. We don't need to call that outside of here. Local function will be better. Get config. So okay, local create price, config price. So wait, create price calculator. We need here. We need here always. Calculate refund probably. Calculate refund. This is like sell. Okay, maybe just sell will be better. So what's the difference between that? Turn create price multiply by amount. No, we need to check. We need to check. Okay, wait. Let's see what we return. Money and amount. Money amount. This is very important because player can write like 1 million crates, and we need to return changed amount. Like how maximum he can sell. calculate sell. $500,000, for example. Local trade amount. Date create amount equals to data inventory config, like so, config survivors crates config.type. Crate name. Okay, let's check that. Okay, crate dot name. Crate type, crate name, like so. Okay. Rate price amount. No, wait. Local if amount more than date create amount equals to date create amount. Back, okay. And this create price multiplied by amount. Create price. Oh no, price. Price and price amount. And here Okay, great. So we set the maximum. How much? Oh, what about the price, by the way? Oh yeah, I didn't change that. Or I changed. Wait. Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, but self sell amount. Zero, for example. Maybe like so. Okay, wait. We need to make this all dated here, but not this. And we don't need, I think, this. Yeah, let's create a variable. print mode. Yeah, for example, this makes only visible, and this limiter. Box parent string. This is for buying. If not amount, then return and no, return 0 and no 0 0, because we need to return two values. Oh, let's go. No. If not amount, then return and oh yeah, my boys. Oh, look at this, what the hell. So for example, we have I put like 1000, but it wait, it changed. To maximum. Okay. So let's place that like so better. So great. So we calculate already price. Let's do that. Okay, I wanna calculate this, for example. Okay, let's make maximum of that. So 600,000 we have here. Maybe we sent only the data. Or not. Let's try. Like 1, 2, 200. So it changed immediately after that. I don't like it's so. I don't like it so because maybe focus lost better make that. Okay, maybe let's try to place here all this stuff. Let's go. Like so. What game are you making? This is like a hide and seek, but with the random abilities for survivors each level. Here's pinned message in the chat, and here's 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Profan, how many % you completed? About the whole game? I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. This is hard question. I just making my steps, and as soon as possible we'll be ready this game. So no any deadlines, my brothers. Okay, so we not allow the players to okay, maybe in real time will be anyway better. Maybe in real time will be better. What if we do a little bit different that? Like this one, for example, will be only here, and this one will be here. How it'll be? I'm interested. Sell. Profan, do you have codes added? What's added? What do you mean? Like player added or child added like this? Or what do you mean? Added. Okay, so amount Xbox text. Or just in real time this will be enough, I don't know. Just in real time do all of that. Maybe. Yeah, like so, I like that. That's enough, and it covers all our needs. So why not to do like so? Let's remove, and it will be easier to control. So we don't need a limit here, if so. We don't need a limit. Or wait, we need that. We need that anyway. Because, for example, if we have 50,000 of that, for example, definitely we need to do that. Wait, it's anyway. It's anyway. Change not properly. Okay, maybe let's make like so. If not amount, then okay. If amount more than limit, then we do the same thing. Like maybe this block we don't need at all. I don't know. What the hell, bro? So okay. Oh, what the hell? Probably there's an endless loop or something like so, I think. Fun, do you have any other game ideas after finishing this? Yes, I have. Yes, I do. Okay, probably just stuck. Okay, no problem. So anyway, for today that's all, my boys. And today's what's the day is today? Tuesday. So my boys, we'll see. I will have 2 weekends ahead, and we'll see tomorrow, my boys. Tomorrow. in Friday. What a what a tomorrow. In Friday we'll see, my boys. Thank you all who was here. Thank you all who supported. Thank you all who watched the stream. So thank you guys. See you in Friday. Bye bye.